Hello, this is Benjamin with ARI, your website company, and the point of this video today will be to show how to create a custom showcase using your CMS editor for your responsive website. First, let's talk about the reason you may want to create a custom showcase. Journeying onto this page, I've clicked into New Models. Reasons that you may want to create a custom showcase. Let's say you're in the Catalog Manager, you're taking a look underneath that Available tab, and we don't have a particular brand that you'd like to display on this New Models page. That's a great reason in itself to create a custom showcase. Now let's journey back to the editor. Now let's talk about the difference between a custom showcase and a custom catalog. Underneath our products area, you'll see that you have the two different choices. Custom products, primary difference is, custom products will allow you to show the item on your site, show all of its details and price, and actually allow you to sell it if you have your e-commerce setup implemented. A custom showcase will allow you to show all those same details on that new equipment page, except for it doesn't actually allow for sale unless they contact you outside of the website. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll click on Custom Showcase. First, we'll click on Create a Showcase. Selecting our industry, we'll select Power Sports. Company name. Now obviously this is one that we do not have in our stock catalog, so we'll click on Add New One. And we'll type in our new company name. This one happens to be for Benelli Motor Scooters. Excellent. Now that we've got that in, we have to decide on a showcase type. Well, it just so happens that scooters is already in here. Excellent. Now let's say when you're looking through this, it's not in here. What then? Well, then you can go down to the Create New field, type in that new showcase type, referring to the overall type of equipment you're going to be putting in this custom showcase. Hitting Save New Type, and when you hit Save New Type, it not only adds it to the list, but checks it for you, just like it's done with scooters here. Save and continue. Next, if you happen to have a company logo, you can add that in here. This is the box that'll appear when you click on that Add Update Company logo. We'll click on Browse, and we'll find that particular logo. So bear with me one moment while I do that. Alright, and here is our Benelli Scooter Company logo. Open. And now, if we don't think that it's going to fit in this 121 by 32 area, you can choose to fill the backspace around that image with either black or white background. Since that logo is mostly white, we'll choose white. Upload. And now we have that company logo in place. Excellent. Add New Product. Once we click on Add New Product, we'll first want to go in and click on Edit Images, Add New Images. In here, we'll click on Upload, select Files, and we'll grab our first one, our Benelli Caferno 150. Open. As soon as you have 100% and a full green status bar, we'll click back to Browse. We'll select that photo. Insert Selected. And it drops it in there. Great. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and copy the name that we have here to make sure that I get the correct spelling. Back to Product. Now we'll click on Edit Product Information. Item number. If you have a manufacturer's number, you'll want to place that in here. Since I don't have a manufacturer's number for today, I'm going to go ahead and type in Benelli, B for Benelli, C for Caferno, and 150 to make it my own. Item name, this is where I can paste in the full name. Item year, I believe this is a 2015. Item price, $12,995.00. Description, I don't happen to have all the details at the moment, so I'm just going to type in description. This is where the manufacturer's description would go. And then item features. Anything you type into item features on the final site will appear above the description as a bold, bulleted, slightly larger font. You want to put anything in item features that you are exceedingly proud of. Good examples of item features would be 100% American made and sourced, 100% stainless steel. The list goes on. For today, I'm just going to say handcrafted in Italy. And we'll hit Add Feature. Excellent. Save changes. Now that we've got this custom showcase built out with at least one product, we now have to add it onto the site. For this, we'll go to Store, click on Catalogs. The first list that comes up is active. We'll want to go over to Available. Benelli motor scooters will be either your first or one of the first listings you have. Custom catalogs or custom showcase will always be listed first in the order. Select that custom Benelli motor scooters. Save changes. Once that save goes through, we'll go back to active. We'll find that Benelli motor scooters brand. Select it. Choose the newest lineup that we've got available. Save changes. And once that save goes through, we'll go up and click on your name that will be up in the upper right hand corner. Publish changes. And now once that publish goes through, we'll be able to click back to the site, reload the page, and with any luck that Benelli motor scooters will appear here. Here it is. Now if we click on Benelli motor scooters, you can see that new models is in there. If we click on it one more time, it leads us to the details page for the Caferno 150. And here, if had I put it typed in a full description, it would be listed here. And here's our bullet points I was talking about for item features. Excellent. We'll jump back to our editor, back to our dashboard. That is the very basics of how to add in a custom showcase and the reasons you might want to do so. This has been Benjamin with ARI, your website company. Thank you.